Welcome to an overview of the D10 and D10-2 Hi-Fi Bass Power Amplifier Board, designed to elevate your home entertainment experience. This versatile amplifier features multiple input options, including 2 microphone slots, Mic 1 and Mic 2, an AV input for L/R audio, a USB slot, and a TF card slot for media playback. For karaoke enthusiasts, dedicated controls like echo and mic volume allow you to fine-tune your vocals, alongside the main volume knob for overall sound adjustment. Customize your audio output with the treble and bass control knobs, enabling personalized sound adjustments for any listening preference. Easily navigate your media with the previous and next buttons, and connect an FM antenna for integrated radio functionality. Powering the device is flexible, supporting both 12 or 24 volts DC and 220 volts AC inputs, all controlled by a convenient main power switch. The D10/D10-2 amplifier board offers robust features for both karaoke and general home entertainment, making it a versatile choice for your audio needs.
Today, we're taking a closer look at this multi-function power amplifier panel, a surprisingly powerful and feature-packed module often used in DIY speakers, home audio systems, and portable sound projects. In this detailed walkthrough, we're going to break down every single part of this unit, starting from point number 1 all the way to the end. By the time you finish this video, you'll understand exactly how each. Point number 1 is the 12E24V DC input. .ADBC input. This is one of the most important power options on this amplifier. It allows you to run the device from a DC battery, either a 12-volt car battery, a 24-volt solar system, or any compatible power supply. This feature is extremely useful if you're building a portable speaker, a car audio system, or an outdoor sound system where AC power isn't available. Using a higher voltage like 24V usually improves the amplifier's output power, giving you stronger bass, louder volume, and cleaner dynamics. When using DC power, always make sure the polarity is correct. The positive and negative lines must match the labels on the panel to avoid damage. Moving to point number 2, we have the AC 220V input. This is the standard household electricity input used in many countries. This input lets the amplifier run directly from the wall socket, which means you don't need a battery or external power converter. Is the main power switch. This controls the entire system, flipping it on supplies power to all internal components of the amplifier, and flipping it off cuts electricity instantly. A good habit is to always reduce volume before powering on/off to avoid loud pops that may damage the speaker. This port lets you plug in a USB flash drive loaded with your MP3 music files. The amplifier reads the files automatically and starts playing. It's a convenient way to play music without needing Bluetooth, a phone, or any external device. Some panels even support charging small devices through the USB port, although not all versions offer this feature. Point number 7 is the TF card slot, sometimes called a micro SD slot. This is useful if you want a compact music source. Just insert a small TF card filled with songs, and the amplifier will play them directly. Point number 9 is the AV input, often used to connect DVD players, TVs, media boxes, and other audio sources. This input accepts left and right stereo channels, allowing your amplifier to act like a mini home theater system. Tone and Mic 2.ai. These are microphone input ports used for karaoke, singing, announcements, or live vocal amplification. The great thing about having 2 mic inputs is flexibility. You can have 2 singers, 1 singer, and a guitar, or a microphone plus a mixer. These inputs work together with the mic volume and echo control knobs, giving you adjustable voice levels and echo effects for a more professional karaoke sound. Echo is essential for karaoke because it gives singers confidence and makes amateur voices sound more polished. Increasing echo adds a delay effect, while lowering it makes the microphone sound dry and natural. It allows you to balance vocals with music, making sure your voice isn't too loud or too soft compared to the soundtrack. Combined with the echo knob, you can create a mix that sounds like a real karaoke machine. Is the main volume knob, controlling the overall loudness of the entire system. Treble control helps you fine-tune your speaker to match your room and listening preferences. Turning it up increases the depth and punch of the sound, making music feel powerful. Lowering bass gives a cleaner, lighter tone,